Many pregnant ladies or wannabe pregnant ladies are worried about their alcohol habits and the health of their babies. According to a study in United States of America, 48% of women is associated with alcohol consumption. The problem arises when these women get pregnant or they plan for pregnancy. Many have a little knowledge how alcohol affects their babies. Many women have misconception regarding safe levels of alcohol in pregnancy. Here, myself, the Obs and Gyno professor, will try to make you understand the medical standard guidelines about alcoholic mother and the health of their baby. It outlines the effect of drinking alcohol on your baby's development in uterus or the womb. It may also be helpful if you are a partner, relative, or a friend of someone who is pregnant with drinking habit. Now let's start with the important points to remember. Do not drink alcohol at all if you can while you are pregnant or breastfeeding or planning a pregnancy. There is no safe level of alcohol to drink while you are pregnant. Alcohol affects your baby to develop and grow in uterus. Fetal alcohol syndrome is a severe physical and mental disability disorder caused by alcohol. Do not hesitate to tell your drinking habit to the healthcare professionals you visit. How the alcohol will affect your unborn baby. If you drink alcohol during pregnancy, some alcohol will pass through the placenta to your baby. The more you drink, the greater is the risk of harm to your baby. How the alcohol will affect your unborn baby. It increases your chances of miscarriage, increases the risk of stillbirth and premature delivery. It causes the placenta not to work as it should. It makes your baby prone to have illness in childhood as well as adulthood. Fetal alcohol syndrome. It is categorized by some facial features like low nasal bridge, minor ear abnormalities, indistinct philtrum, micrognathia, thin upper lip, flat mid-face and short nose, short palpebral fissures, epicanthal folds. Drinking heavily during pregnancy can cause fetal alcohol spectrum disorder or fetal alcohol syndrome. Children may have problems with behavior, physical disability, and emotional psychiatric problems that last lifelong. Whether or not a baby is affected mildly or severely with the FAS is directly linked to how much and how often a woman drinks during pregnancy. Now the common questions. What should I do if I am thinking of having a baby? If you are planning for pregnancy, it's advisable not to drink. Also tell your partner not to drink because it can make it more difficult to conceive a pregnancy. I have just discovered I am pregnant and I have been drinking. What does this mean to my baby? Fortunately, most babies will be fine. Talk to your doctor who will be able to advise you better. Will my healthcare personnel ask me how much alcohol to drink when I am pregnant? Frankly saying, yes. It's very necessary to know the amount and the quantity of alcohol you take so that the healthcare worker can advise you how to stop that and decrease the quantity. Can I drink alcohol if I want to breastfeed? The safest option is not to drink during breastfeeding because the alcohol can find its way into your breast milk. Regular drinking during breastfeeding may affect your baby's development. Can I take a binge instead of daily small quantities? No. Binge drinking is more harmful than drinking small quantities in chronic way. What is the medical definition of a heavy drinker? A person who takes more than 2 units of alcohol per day or more than 45 units of alcohol per month is categorized as heavy drinker. What if I can't stop to take alcohol? Then try to maintain less than 2 units per day. Try to completely avoid alcohol in later half of pregnancy. Hydrate yourself well. Take the vitamins well. Thank you very much and best of luck. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. The Obs and Gyno Professor.